Hello everyone, this is the planning briefing for Sunday, May 11th. We're looking for showers and thunderstorms today. Just looked at the recent RAP analysis and it's showing Cape values of 500 joules across southwest Montana. That would indicate thunderstorm potential. Strong wind threat is not as high, but still couldn't rule that out. Expecting storms to move in overnight as well. Becoming cooler and wetter Monday, especially Idaho, northwest Montana. Mild and windy southwest Montana and Lemhi County. Showery Tuesday and Wednesday and cool, snow above 5,500 feet. Could be experiencing some wintry conditions at passes, especially along the divide, McDonald Pass southward and eastward. Breezy west winds Wednesday, 20-30 mile an hour possible. Wet weather seems to be continuing through next weekend. So just showing the weather risk outlook for Monday, looks like the better combination of wind and chance for some thunderstorms and a wind chill. We gave it a moderate, and then snow in the passes Tuesday, Wednesday. The frontal system is currently moving through the area. Severe Prediction Center showing us in a marginal risk for today. Still a chance of some hail. This is the probability of stronger showers, basically showing the chance for the stronger storms. Southwest Montana, 30 to 40% chance. There is a 60% chance Grangeville, Kalispell, and Lincoln County could see some quarter to half-inch size hail this evening and some gusty winds. This is the probability of gusts greater than 25 miles an hour, highlighting southern Idaho County eastward and Lemhi County. This is the same probability for Monday, showing Lemhi County to southwest Montana. This is the probability of stronger showers on Monday, highlighting north central Idaho, and 62% chance in the Butte and Deer Lodge areas. I'm going to show you this 24-hour precipitation total amount. It's the local probability match mean, which is a statistical technique that we use within the HRF ensembles, and it tries to take the best spatial structure from the mean and tries to conserve some of the higher amounts. It helps to kind of under and overestimate rainfall. So this is 24 hours ending 10 a.m. Monday morning, highlighting the heavier rain showers, Idaho into northwest Montana, and the lack of precipitation, Bitterroot Valley, southwest Montana. It's kind of spotty. And this is the 24 hours ending 6 a.m. Tuesday. This would capture Monday afternoon, Monday night. Similar areas in north central Idaho, some of the mountains and towards the glacier, and some precipitation in southwest Montana, although portions of 110, fire zone 110, may only get a couple hundreds or even just nothing. This is looking at a 2-day precip total, the 50th percentile, ending 6 a.m. Thursday. You know, it's showing 3 general areas of precip that are good chance for a wetting precip event greater than 0.09 of an inch. Northwest Montana, Glacier National Park, Clearwater Mountains, north central Idaho, and southwest Montana. And then you can see the areas that may not get as much precipitation: Bitterroot Valley, portions of Lemhi County, Granite, Powell County, and even eastern Sanders County. Some of the models continue to hang on to a kind of a widespread rainfall event from north of Libby, Yak, Eureka, Glacier National Park, Flathead Valley on Tuesday morning. If that scenario were to occur, some locations could actually get half an inch to 6/10 of total rainfall. So it could be a pretty wet morning at Glacier National Park. So if you're going to be biking the road there, it could be pretty wet. So you may want to, like we said before, snow levels are going to be falling down to around 6,000 feet. And so there could be 4 to 6 inches of snow that falls in the higher elevations of Glacier National Park on Tuesday morning into the afternoon. Think about bringing a rain jacket and warm gear. And this is looking far into the extended, looking at unsettled weather next weekend. Could be another trough digging down here with a cutoff. Could be some higher amounts in some locations. Just going to fly through these. You can just pause it. These are the highs and minimum RHs for our fire weather partners. And some of the lower minimum RHs are going to be in the 30s Thursday, Friday, Saturday of next week across southwest Montana. This is the low temperatures and max RHs. Generally, our low temperatures are going to be relatively mild because of a fair amount of cloud cover this week. But during the day, it'll be cooler. We're looking at 5 to 10 degrees cooler than average. As far as max wind gusts, the windier periods will be today, Monday, as I said in my main points, some gusty winds on Wednesday. Here's some precip ranges. Snow levels generally going to dip down to the kind of 5,500 feet to 6,000 feet Tuesday to Wednesday. Probability precipitation. And as I alluded, this is the May 16th through 20th period above average precip for some locations and cooler temperatures. Our next briefing will be Thursday, May 15th, and we are always looking for weather spotters to help us fill in some of the gaps. So if you'd like to participate, you can try to scan the QR code, and if you can't, you can email us and we'll try to get the information that you need to join this virtual training. All right, have a great Mother's Day.